Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to set up a personal hotspot with your iPhone. The first thing you want to do is head over to your iPhone settings here on the home screen, and then in the iPhone settings you'll see personal hotspot here. It's currently off. You want to tab into this here. Now within the personal hotspot page you'll see that at the very top here, allow others to join. You want to tab this on. Now underneath here, Wi-Fi password, this is the password that you'll need to enter on the device you're connecting to. You can change it by clicking into it, however we'll keep it the same for now. So now we have set up the personal hotspot using your iPhone. Now I'm going to connect with my MacBook. The device I want to look for, if you look here at the bottom, is iPhone and in brackets 2. So let's head over to the MacBook. So now we're on the Mac. Let's have a look here at the top. We're currently connected to an internet. However, let's click into the Wi-Fi connection. Within the Wi-Fi section, as you can see here, the personal hotspot, and our personal hotspot, iPhone and number 2 in brackets. And what we can do, we can simply click our hotspot and it'll take a moment to connect. If you're using the same iPhone profile, it may not ask you for a password. However, if you're not using the same, you will need to enter the password that is given on your iPhone. So now we're connected. Let's hold over to the internet, and as you can see, the internet works, and we are using the hotspot to use the internet. What you need to remember is that you are using your iPhone data on your mobile. So if you're on a data plan, you need to be careful that you don't overuse it. Now if you want to disconnect from the personal hotspot, you can come back up to the Wi-Fi settings here at the top and click on it, or you can come back over to the iPhone and we can tab off allow others to join, so it's greyed out. Now if we try and load the internet again on the MacBook, as you can see, the internet is not working. So that's how to set up and connect to a personal hotspot on your iPhone. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.